Hello everyone, if you know that Windows 11 25H2 has been rolling out and now you can upgrade to Windows 11 23H2 or 24H2 to 25H2. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your Windows 11. So just first go to your settings option, search for settings. And after that, you just need to click on this Windows Update here. Now, in my case, I have already got the Windows 11 25H2 is available. Now I can download and install. If you don't have this option, you will have a check for updates. So first, click on this check for updates and download the pending update. Then you may need to restart your PC after that. And if you get this Windows 11 24H2 and you don't get that 25H2 available on your PC, just go to the C folder, go to the Windows, and then you need to go to the folder called software distribution. Then click on this download button. And here you'll find lots of files here. You just need to delete all the files from here. Just delete that because those are the file of the 24H2. That's why you're not getting the 25H2. So after deleting that, you may get this version 25H2. Now you just have to click on this download and install. It will start to download. And then you just need to restart your PC. After downloading the 25H2, then you're good to go. You will have the 25H2 Windows 11 version. But if you're still not getting the 25H2 on your PC, go to search bar and search for services here. Open services. Then you need to find a option called Windows Update. Here, as you can see, Windows Update. Right click on it, go to properties, and you just need to stop this Windows Update, because if you say I already stopped this, because if I started, it will start to download my 24H2. I'll not have the available version of 25H2. So you just have to stop this. If you have a stop button here, in my case, it's already stopped, and select it to automatic and just click apply and OK. And after that, if you're still not getting the 25H2 download and install option, just go to the Chrome browser and search for Windows 11 Assistant installer. Search for it. And you will find here Windows 11 Install Assistant 25H2. Click on this. Click on this download button. Go to the folder. Double click to run the program. Click yes. Now you just have to accept and install. This will start to download the latest version of 25H2 from Windows 11. And after that, you just have to restart your PC for several times and you will get the latest update of 25H2. So that's it, guys. This is the video that I want to share with you. This is how you can upgrade your Windows 11 PC. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.